Did you know a serial killer once called his victim's family just to play recordings of her final moments? The Long Island serial killer didn't just murder. He wanted to torture the living too. Between 2007 and 2010, this monster would call Melissa Barthelemy sister. He'd play audio recordings. Describe details only the killer could know. He was calculated, strategic, evil. Every call came from crowded places in Manhattan, Times Square, Penn Station, busy enough to blend in. He'd stay on just long enough to cause pain, but never long enough to trace. Police set elaborate phone traps. They had the FBI analyzing every word, but he always stayed one step ahead. The calls stopped as suddenly as they started. Bodies were dumped in plain sight along Ocean Parkway. Evidence was everywhere, but somehow, he vanished. The case remains open today. The FBI still has those horrific recordings. They're still analyzing them, hoping for a breakthrough. A killer who taunted families, outsmarted police, and disappeared without a trace. He's still out there.